up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Jacoby. So today I have a huge winter Shein try-on haul. I think I spent about $200, $300 on their website. So I'm really excited for all the pieces that I got and to show you. So let's get into it. So I have my pile right here. First dress. First I got this long sleeve tie-dye dress and it is so gorgeous on. I think the brown is really a good color for me. I don't know, it's just complimentary. I think it looks really nice. I'm really into the whole Bodycon deal, as you'll see throughout this haul. So next I got this long sleeve Bodycon dress and it has scrunchies on the side and it's like long sleeve and it's just a regular like neck, but this looks also really good on. I feel it's actually quite long, I noticed, but since it has scrunchies on the side, you can scrunch it up. But I'm 5'10" and it comes to like my knees. So, but once I scrunch it up, you can go as short as you want or as long as you want, but it literally comes to my knees and I'm 5'11", so for reference, if you're shorter, may not be for you. Next, I got this dress. I thought it looked cute on the website and then I was like, ooh, I'm trying to be outside of my comfort zone. Then I tried it on and I thought it just looked terrible on me, but I liked the color blocking kind of deal and I liked the concept. It just wasn't good on me, I feel. So, okay, water break. The last dress, I got the same little bodycon dress I did in black, but it's tan. These are really flattering on me, so I'm really happy about these. And it also has scrunchies on the side, long sleeve, same kind of normal neck, and this is bomb. Like, I just love the color. I'm really into like nudes and like beige and brown, so I thought it was really, really cute on. Next, we're gonna go straight into tops. So here's the mother load of tops here. Oh, did I drop one? First, we have this just plain black long sleeve crop and it has like the scrunchy stuff on the side. And this is just really cute. It's really basic, so I thought it was a really good pickup and I think it looks great on, so not to toot my own horn, but next we have this guy. This, like, what is it called? Like duochrome? Half and half? I don't know, but it's like white and black down the middle. Has a butterfly on it and some saying on it, so I thought it was just pretty fire. I like the whole black and white concept. Next, I got a tank top, and this is so comfortable. Like, I was shook when I tried it on. I was like, oh wow, she's quality. So it's like this cream tan color. Once again, scrunchy on the side. I absolutely love this detail just because it's just so flattering that you can make it smaller, shorter. And like the neck on this is so flattering. It's not like up here because that makes me look terrible, but it's not like down here either. So it's perfect medium and I love it. Next, I got this long sleeve crop. And it's like a patchwork kind of deal. So on one end, it's like blue tie-dye, kind of looks like a cloud almost, or the sky. And on the other hand, it's just like a baby blue and it's a crop top and it's really cute. So one sleeve is like the blue, one sleeve is like the cloud pattern, if you want to call it like that. So, and by the way, everything I ordered was a size 4 in the dresses and in the tops. Next, got this oversized tee with like the sun on it and the moon, and I just thought it was really like astrological. Is that what astrology? Yeah, that's what it looks like. So I thought it was cute, very Urban Outfitters looking. Next, I got this crop top, and oh my gosh, I absolutely love this. The only thing is it's too small. It's too small on my shoulder, like this area is too like I cannot move my arms. Even though it's very cute though, it looks good on. For the most part, it was just too tight in my shoulders. So that's a bummer. And this was a size small or 4, so I would suggest sizing up if you end up getting this top. Next, I got another long sleeve crop. Cream color, brownish almost, yeah. Same thing, scrunchies on the side. Really cute on. Once again, I really think this is like my color. Like, it looks really nice on me, I think. Next, I got this dragon print graphic t-shirt. Next, this top. Woo! It makes your boobies look good. But I'm just nervous about this because it's really out of my comfort zone and I see other girls wear it and it looks great on them. So I was like, I'll give it a try. But yeah, this is a size small and it's like this navy like denim color almost. And it's really stretchy, but it's not too stretchy where it's like thin. Like, it's pretty thick. It'll probably keep you warm for the most part. Next, I got this t-shirt. Just has a butterfly on it, big oversized once again. Very comfortable, very soft, very cute. And lastly for tops, I got this crop top. I just thought it was so cute, and it also looks really good on once again. So I think neutrals look good on me, and I pretty much everything I bought was a neutral besides like some things, but this was very cute. Next, moving on to outerwear. I got this hoodie that I'm wearing right now, or sweatshirt, sorry. It says Malibu on it in bright pink colors, and it's like a light pink. And this is really oversized. I'm pretty sure this is like a large, I think. So it's really comfortable and very soft. So 10 out of 10. And next I got this mini like jacket. It's cropped. You can wear it open or closed. But this is so cute. Like, I was not expecting the quality, but it's actually very nice. And it's brown and it's very cute. And it fits me really nicely because usually I have problems finding jackets because I'm so tall and my arms are so long. But this actually fit really nice. And the length was like perfect. So highly suggest. And I think I got a size 6, a medium in this jacket. So next I got this sweater, this like, what, it's like a, what is it? Like a cream leopard print. This reminds me of like the Barefoot Dreams blanket that everyone has that I really, really want, but I'm never ever paying $200 something for a blanket. So, but maybe one day, but this is really cute. It's really soft, very thick material, and it's really comfortable. And I think it's a size medium, I wanna say. Next, I got this cream sweatshirt, and as you can see, it came with a stain on it. So I'm kind of mad about that, but I don't really know what to do. So it was a size large. It's like a smaller cropped kind of deal. And it's okay, like it's not my favorite. Just, yeah, you know, it's okay. Next we have this huge sweatshirt with like cream arms and a navy body, and it says Los Angeles on it and then California. Yeah, I just thought it was cute because of the duochrome, monochrome, what is it? Someone tell me, I don't know. Color block? Sure, I don't know. But I thought the different sleeves were pretty cool, looked pretty Brandy Melville-ish. And I got this in a large to make it nice and oversized. And then lastly, I just got this plain hoodie with LA on it, Los Angeles on it, and it's just a black and super plain. That's it for today's haul, you guys. I really hope you liked it. Please let me know any other videos you want to see from me. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for the support, and I'll see you next time. Peace.